Everyone, in this video I am going to discuss about middle term factorization, a very important topic on mathematics. That's the dividing middle term factorization of quadratic equation. Suppose the first term is x square plus 5x plus 6. What I am going to do, just check. I am going to take the coefficient of x square and constant term. When I am saying the constant term I am going to take with sign, so plus 6. So if I multiply them 1 into plus 6, I am going to get 6. So what are the factors? Factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. We have to take any two numbers such that their product is this 6 and their sum is this plus 5. So clearly you can see here, if I take 2 and 3, it will be 5. So can we write this as x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. So from the first two terms, if I take x common, it will be x plus 2. Last two terms, 3 common, it will be again x plus 2. So again, if you take x plus 2 common, like we have done in grouping of terms, so it will be x plus 3. Next one, same thing I am doing, just I am taking it as minus 5x. So factors will remain 1, 2, 3, 6. But how to write this as minus 5? 2 plus 3 will be plus 5. But if I will take the term as minus 2 and minus 3, what is the product of minus 2 and minus 3? That is plus 6. And if I add them, I will get minus 5. So it will be x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. What I can take common from the first two terms? X. In bracket it will be x minus 2. From this term and this term, can I take minus 3 common? If I take minus 3 common, just check, there it will be x. It was plus 6. So this will be minus, because minus minus, this minus and this minus will give you plus sign. This minus and this minus, do you agree? So this will be minus 2. It will be x minus 3 into x minus 2. Is it fine? Let's move to the next sum. What I am going to do, I am going to show you all the terms related with 6 right now. So x square plus x minus 6. The factors of 6 I know, 1, 2, 3, 6. Now how to get 1 from there? To get 1 from there and minus 6. So when there is minus 6 into 1, minus 6. So it can be one number as plus and another number as minus. Right? So one number as plus, another number as minus. So from there, can I write it as 3x minus 2x, or rather 3 and minus 2 is my number. So product will be minus 6, right? So this number will be x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. So if I take x common, it will be x plus 3 minus 2 common, again x minus 3, sorry, x plus 3 rather. So x plus 3 common and x minus 2, right? As I said, I am going to discuss everything related with 6 right now, so that you can understand how we can reschedule the number. Next one, x square minus x minus 6. Minus x. So previously we needed plus x. So I had done plus 3x minus 2x, right? But now I need minus x. So what I am going to do? Minus 3x plus 2x. So it will be x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. X common, x plus, sorry, x, if I take common, it will be x minus 3. So hence x minus 3, and then 2 common, it will be again x minus 3. We can take x minus 3 as factor common. So x minus 3 into x plus 2. Next, I said that I am going to do everything with 6 right now. X square plus 5x minus 6. What I am going to do? Minus 6. Again we have minus 6. So can we write minus 6 as 6 and minus 1? So their product will be minus 6, and if I add them, I will get plus 5. So it will be x square plus 6x minus x minus 6. So x into x plus 6 minus 1 into x plus 6, x minus 1, x plus 6. Right? some more factors of 6. Write down. Let's start. X square minus 5x minus 6. Any guess? Previous it was plus 5x. So we had done with plus 6x and minus x. Now in minus 5x. So I'm going to do minus 6x and plus x. Right? So it will be x common, x minus 6. Again 1 common. So it will be again x minus 6. It will be x plus 1 into x minus 6. I'll stay in 6 but just moving on a bit. So next one I'm giving you, that is 3x square minus x minus 2. Please be very careful. Right now we are practicing with only this. So that product is again minus 6, right? Minus 6 again we have to represent as minus 1. So I'm going to write it as minus 3 plus 2. So it will be 3x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 2. So 3x common, x minus 1. Again 2 common, x minus 1. Grouping of factors, you have to do some steps. So x minus 1. Last couple of sum. Next one, 3x square plus x minus 2. Just check, it was minus x, so I divided in minus 3x plus 2x. So plus x, I am going to write it as plus 3x minus 2x minus 2. So 3x common, x plus 1 minus 2, x plus 1. This is the way we can rearrange the numbers, rearrange the sign and go for middle term. One more sum I am going to do. Middle term, trust me, there are at least more than 1000 sums. So anytime if you have any problem, please write in the comment box. Now next one, root 3x square plus 2x minus root 3. So what's their product? Product of coefficient of x square and constant term. Product is root 3 into root 3 is 3. So product is minus 3. I have to write minus 3 as 2. Two numbers we have to get such that their product is minus 3 and sum is 2. 3 and minus 1, right? So I will write it as root 3x square plus 3x minus x minus root 3. So root 3 and 3, can we take root 3 as common? So root 3x if I take common, just check, I am taking root 3 common and 1x common. So 1x will remain there and plus 1 will be there. I will take minus 1 common from this 2, so it will become x plus root 3. So answer will be root 3x minus 1 into, I think I made one mistake. Yes, just check what mistake I had made over here. So I had taken root 3x common. It was 3 over there, right? So from 3, if you will take root 3 common, it will be root 3 out there, right? So x plus root 3, that will be our common factor. So the sum will be in typical pattern. If you make mistake also, you will understand, okay fine, I must make some mistake. So that's all for right now. If you have any problem with factorization, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.